Have you ever wondered why Chinese children, Japanese, Singaporeans, most of these Asian children, why they do better in mathematics? Hi guys, welcome back to Mind Maths Lab. So in our last video, we saw how to solve a Sudoku puzzle, and today we're going to be looking at how to solve a Calcudoku puzzle. This is a 3 by 3 Calcudoku puzzle, and this is a 4 by 4 Calcudoku puzzle. Calcudoku puzzle is also known as Ken, and is a Japanese puzzle. Have you ever wondered why Chinese children, Japanese, Singaporeans, most of these Asian children, why they do better in mathematics? It's not because they are born, it's not magic, and it's not because they are born, they are born better in mathematics, or is it genetic? No, it's not. It's because of the foundation that is being laid for them. They spend most of their after school time solving these puzzles. They spend most of their time trying to learn how to solve, how to figure out something. They spend most of their time doing that. And they emphasize the process by which they are being taught. They emphasize mostly on mastery before moving on to the more complex mathematics. They emphasize more on mastery, and this is what we actually teach at Mind Maths Lab. We don't just teach memorization. We teach your child how to reason arithmetically, how to reason mathematically, how to improve their reasoning, because what we do here, we actually tax their brain, we exercise the brain. So mental math is an exercise for the brain, just like how we go to the gym to keep fit. For our children's brain, how to keep their brain fit, let me use that word, is by keeping it busy with most of these puzzles, most of this problem, mental math. And yeah, so going back to our Calcudoku puzzle, this is also just like the Sudoku puzzle. Now we say that this is a 3 by 3 Sudoku puzzle, Calcudoku puzzle, and just like the Sudoku puzzle, for this one now, for each row there will just be numbers 1, 2, 3, and then for each column there will just be numbers 1, 2, 3, just like our Sudoku puzzle. If it's for like this 4 by 4 now, for each row there will be numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for each column there will be numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, and there is no repetition in each column or in each row. There is no repetition. Now the difference between this Calcudoku puzzle and the Sudoku puzzle is that for this one now we'll be doing calculations, just like the name Calcudoku. We'll be doing some calculations, and now our target is to get these numbers. Like if we have to divide, like 2 and the division sign here. So this is our target. We want to get, our answer will be 2, and then the operation that we're going to do is going to be division. In this one, 6, our target is 6, and the operation that we're going to do is multiplication. So this one, our target is 2, and the operation that we're going to do is subtraction. So now moving on. So now we have, and for these ones now, this is small balls, this one is a small ball. There is no operation attached to it. So we'll just bring 3 here, we'll just bring down the 3 and then bring down the 2. That's it. So here now we already know that the numbers remaining are 1 and 2, and 2 divided by 1 gives us 2. Remember, our target is 2. So, and then note that the order in which you place the numbers are not really necessary. So now, because there is already 2 on this column, we cannot write 2 and 1 here. So we'll write 1 and 2. Now we have 1 and 2 on this column, so telling us that the number remaining here is 3. So we'll write 3 here. Now remember, the target is 2, and this is a subtraction. Our operation here is subtraction. So now 3 minus what will give us 2 is 1. So this is 1. So what's remaining in this place is 2. So we write 2 here. Now what's remaining on this row is 1. Now this is L-shaped. This is L-shaped. This is L-shaped. So why I mean this is L-shaped is this box times this box, and then times this box will give us this our target here. Our target here is 6. So we can see that what's remaining on this row is 3. Now 2 times 1 is 2, and then 2 times 3 is 6. So you see, so the difference between this and the Sudoku is that we're going to be doing calculations, and our target now is the numbers above the boxes using the operations. Now this is multiplication. This one is 3 by 3 now. It will have 4 by 4. It gets more like more complex. You have to reason more. So this one is easy. So now look at this Calcudoku, this 4 by 4, and maybe try it on your own to solve this 4 by 4 Calcudoku puzzle. This one now we have more numbers and more operations.